back or to my channel. Today I'm gonna film my skincare routine. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this, and also if you're new here, please subscribe, join my little family. We just hit 500 and some subscribers and I'm so thankful. So if you were one of the ones that subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me. So yeah, like I said, today we're gonna be filming my skincare routine. It's pretty simple and my skincare routine is pretty affordable. So the first thing in my skincare routine is taking off my makeup, of course. So for that, I like to use coconut oil. This one is just HEB brand. I don't know if you have an HEB near you, but it's just a local grocery store that I have here. This is what I use to take my makeup off. And I know some of you have been asking me if coconut oil clogs my pores, and no, it doesn't. I love coconut oil and it's really good for your face. It has a lot of benefits. And also it's good for my dry skin ladies out there because it's really moisturizing. So what I do is just get coconut oil all over my hands and I start putting this on my face to take off my makeup. So I'm just gonna show you guys like right here, and then I'll go closer to the sink to wash it off. So I just massage this in my face and take off all my makeup, and don't forget your neck down here. And you're gonna look crazy at first, but who cares? And now I'm just gonna wash this off. So this is how you look real cute while you're washing your face. Okay, so now I'm gonna use a towel to pat my face dry. You never want to rub it because that's what causes wrinkles, and we don't want wrinkles. See, and with the coconut oil, your face is already really luminous, and I have dry skin, by the way, and look how it looks. It looks super glowy and luminous. So if you haven't tried coconut oil as a makeup remover, you should really try it, and it lasts longer. Like, look how much you get. Like, it's amazing. The next thing I do is go in with the face wash. This one's just the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing. Yeah, this one is just for blackheads. I don't want blackheads, so I go in with this. And this also smells so amazing. Like, amazing. So I like to take a little dime size amount, like that much. And then you massage this on your face. I like to go especially on my nose and like my cheek area, like right here. Go on your forehead as well. Just get a little bit of water on your hand so it won't be as dry. Never forget your neck, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this for like about 3 minutes. Okay, so back in with the towel and just pat. So this is what our skin's looking like right now. And also I have a pimple. Perfect time to film this, right? The next thing I like to do is go in with micellar water. This one is micellar cleansing water by Garnier. I usually like to put this on a cotton pad, but I actually ran out, so I'm just gonna use some cotton balls. So I'm gonna put some of this on a cotton ball, like that. And with this, I just like to make sure I'm actually taking off all my makeup. So I like to go around my hairline, because right here is where you usually forget to take makeup off. Like, look, this was still on my face. So just make sure you're really taking off all your makeup, because that could be a cause of breakouts. I didn't do this before and I would always get a little bit of pimples around my hairline. So if that's also happening to you, try this out and I'm pretty sure it'll help. And I have no idea if I do this in the right order or not, but this is just stuff I do. All this was still on your face even after the coconut oil and your face wash. So I recommend getting some of this and it really does help. Okay, so the next thing I like to do is go in with this Mario Badescu facial spray. This is just the rose water one. And I love this because it is so refreshing and it just gives you an extra bit of hydration, which I love. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pat that into my face so it can dry quicker. Okay, after that, I like to go in with this lavender oil that I got at TJ Maxx. This says that it's hydrating. Like I said, I have dry skin, so I've been doing this. I just put a little bit of drops all over my face, especially on my nose because that's where it's super dry. And I'm just gonna rub that. And you wanna pat. So yeah, after this, obviously it's oil, so your skin looks super dewy and luminous. And I'm just gonna let that soak in for a little bit. So we're gonna move on to some moisturizer. As you guys probably know, me and Cetaphil, we have a thing. Like, I love Cetaphil. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I love this stuff. It's been really good to me, so why change it? I'm gonna put extra on my nose because it's having a little bit of a crisis. It's going through a midlife crisis right now, even though I'm like 19. Yeah, so I'm just gonna rub this all over my face to moisturize it heavily. And don't forget your neck. Your neck is part of your face as well. A lot of people tend to forget that. Not us. We're not gonna forget that. Guys, my skin feels like a baby's butt right now. It's honestly so smooth. Now what we're gonna do is go in with Pond's cream. This is anti-wrinkle cream, and you know, we gotta start young. We don't want any wrinkles. So I like to take a little bit of this and put it under my eyes. Like that, and then the neck, of course, like I've been saying this whole video, don't forget your neck. And I heard that this also like firmed right here, and I have a double chin, so I've been doing this. I want to see if this really does help. You're gonna want to use your ring fingers to blend this out because they are super gentle. Always use your ring fingers. Now your neck, you're gonna want to rub up, never drag down. So just keep rubbing up like this. So yeah, that was the last step of my skincare routine, and your skin ends up looking like this, just super healthy looking and luminous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.